What's happening, everyone? Today we're making one of my all-time favorite appetizers, stuffed
mushrooms.
I'm not sure what it is about mushrooms. I just love the way they taste and smell, their textures. It's just delightful. We're going to start today by dicing some shallots and removing the stems from the mushrooms, which is very easy to do. Just break them off and set them aside. We'll use those in just a moment. We're also going to start browning the ground beef. I used ground chuck because we're going to cook this twice, and chuck can stand up to the extra cook time. A lot of recipes call for sausage, but I had some extra beef for another recipe, and I thought, why not ground beef? Now get those stems into the pan and allow them to soak up all the beef drippings. If you've watched some of my other videos, you know I'm all about the flavor layers. Once the mushrooms have softened a bit, now you can add the shallots. Most stuffed mushroom recipes call for cream cheese, which is very delicious, but I always like to try new things. So I'm going to use some smoked gouda, which will add some additional layers of flavor. Once the mushrooms and shallots are softened, we'll deglaze with some wine. I used Riesling because that's what we had in the fridge, but you could use really any white wine. Next, we'll combine everything into a mixing bowl and add some extra seasoning. Thyme, granulated garlic and onion, paprika, some breadcrumbs for texture, and of course the cheese. Mix this up thoroughly and give it a taste test. Yeah, that's about right. Now we'll begin assembling
The mushrooms.
Don't be afraid. Just do your best and stuff everyone with as much as it will hold. Don't worry if it overflows. Now get them into a baking dish and the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Pull them out and add some extra cheese and bake for another 5 minutes or so. Now look at those delicious mushrooms. Fantastic! I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.